Are you looking for the best gas grill but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're ranking 5 of the best gas grills on the market, from the weakest to the absolute best. Stick around to find out which one suits your needs. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Char-Broil Portable. This little guy is one of the most compact gas grills out there, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or even small patios. If portability is your top priority, this grill definitely delivers. But compared to the others on this list, it's a little limited in what it can do. The Char-Broil Portable features a 190 square inch cooking surface, which is just enough to handle a few burgers, hot dogs, or steaks at a time. The 11,000 BTU burner is decent for a portable grill, and the porcelain coated grates help prevent sticking. It's also super lightweight at just 11 pounds, meaning you can carry it with one hand. If you're always on the go, this is a big plus. However, there are some drawbacks. The cooking space is quite small, so if you're grilling for more than 2 or 3 people, you might have to cook in batches. Some users have also reported uneven heat distribution, which can make it tricky to cook things evenly. And while the build quality is fine for casual use, it may not be the most durable option in the long run. If you need an ultra-portable, budget-friendly grill for light use, the Char-Broil Portable is a solid choice. But if you're looking for something with more power and space, you might want to keep watching. By the way, I've linked all the grills in this review at the best prices down in the description, so be sure to check that out. At number 4, we have the Pit Boss Grills. This grill is another great portable option, but it steps things up a notch with more cooking space and more power. If the last grill was too small for you, but you still want something easy to carry, this might be your answer. This grill offers 274 square inches of cooking space, which is almost 50% more than the Char-Broil. It also packs 2 burners instead of 1, giving you more heat control and an impressive 20,000 BTU output. Plus, it's made from durable stainless steel, making it a bit more rugged and long-lasting than the previous option. That being said, it does have some downsides. Heat distribution can still be uneven, which means you'll have to move food around while cooking. And while it's still portable, it weighs 27 pounds, more than twice as much as the Char-Broil. The heat deflectors have also been a point of concern for some users, as they might not hold up as well over time. If you need a powerful yet portable grill that can handle a bit more food, the Pit Boss Grills is a solid option. It's perfect for camping trips, RV adventures, or small patios. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Coming in at number 3 is the Char-Broil Performance. Now, this is where we start getting into the bigger, more powerful gas grills. If you're looking for something that can handle family cookouts and weekend barbecues, this might be the one for you. This grill features 4 burners, allowing for better heat control across the 435 square inch cooking surface. Plus, there's an additional 130 square inch warming rack for keeping food hot or toasting buns. The side burner is a great bonus for cooking sauces or sides, and the stainless steel design gives it a sleek, durable look. However, it's not perfect. Some users have reported that heat distribution can be uneven, meaning you might have to shuffle food around for even cooking. The assembly process can also be time-consuming, so be prepared to spend some time putting it together. Lastly, the side burner isn't very well protected from the wind, which can make it difficult to use in breezy conditions. If you want a full-size grill with a good mix of features and cooking space, the Char-Broil Performance is a great option. It's big enough for family meals without taking up too much space on your patio. But if you need something even bigger and more versatile, keep watching. We're getting to the top 2. At number 2, we have the Blackstone Flat Top Gas Grill Griddle 2 Burner. This grill is completely different from the ones we've covered so far because it's a flat top griddle instead of a traditional grill. And let me tell you, if you've never cooked on a flat top before, you're in for a treat. With 524 square inches of cooking space, this griddle gives you tons of room to cook everything from burgers and steaks to pancakes and stir fry. It packs 34,000 BTUs of power across 2 burners, allowing for great heat control. The rear grease management system also makes cleanup a lot easier. Of course, it's not without flaws. It's heavier than a standard gas grill, so it's not as easy to move around. And like any flat top, it requires regular seasoning and maintenance to keep it in good shape. If you're not used to taking care of a griddle, it might take some getting used to. That said, if you love cooking breakfast, smash burgers, or hibachi-style meals, this is an amazing choice. The versatility alone makes it stand out, but if you're looking for something even bigger, our #1 pick might be just what you need. And finally, at #1, we have the Blackstone Omnivore Griddle. If you're looking for the ultimate gas griddle, this is it. It's big, powerful, and packed with features that make cooking an absolute breeze. Whether you're feeding a family, hosting a backyard party, or just love to cook, this grill has you covered. With 768 square inches of cooking space, this thing can handle a massive amount of food at once. It's got 4 independently controlled burners, which means you can create different heat zones, perfect for cooking multiple things at the same time. Plus, the Omnivore griddle plate technology ensures even heating across the surface. The built-in hood, folding side shelves, and rear grease management system make it even more convenient to use. Of course, with a grill this big, you need to make sure you have the space for it. It takes up a lot of room, so if you have a small patio, it might not be the best fit. It also requires more maintenance than a traditional grill, like regular seasoning to prevent rust. And let's be honest, assembly takes time, but once you get it set up, it's worth it. If you want the best of the best, the Blackstone Omnivore Griddle is hands down the winner. It's perfect for serious grillers, big families, and anyone who loves to cook outdoors. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this grill can handle it all. So, there you have it, the top 5 gas grills ranked from weakest to best. If you're interested in any of these, be sure to check out the links in the description below for the best prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. Happy grilling!